Hello, everybody. All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to solve by factoring when it's not in standard form. All right, let's look at this first example. It says 3x squared plus x equals 10. Now, if you notice, it's not in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Since it does not equal 0, I have to make it equal 0. So you see that 10 right there? Got to get rid of it. The only way I can is by subtracting it to make it equal 0. But whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do it to the other side. So, of course, 10 minus 10 gives me the 0. But if you notice over here, it says 1x minus 10. Those are not like terms, so I cannot subtract them from each other. So I'll just write it out. 3x squared plus x minus 10 equal to 0. Now that it's in standard form, just like this, I can factor it. So I'm going to use the bottoms up method. 3 times negative 10 gives me negative 30. And now I have to find two numbers that work. What multiplies to equal negative 30, but when I add them, they're going to equal whatever b is, which is imaginary 1. The two numbers that work are going to be 6 and negative 5. So I'll go ahead and write it out in factored form. X plus 6, x minus 5. And then I will have to divide both of them by whatever my a is. And my a is 3, so I'll divide each one by 3. And 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. So in this parentheses, I'm going to have x plus 2. Negative 5 divided by 3. Nope, that's going to give me a decimal. So I'm going to have to do bottoms up. And then I'll have 3x minus 5 in that parentheses. And remember, since it equaled 0, I now have to set each one of my factors equal to 0 and solve for x. So x plus 2 equal to 0. I'll have to subtract 2 on both sides. And then it'll give me x equals negative 2. And then for the 3x minus 5 equals 0, I'll have to add 5 on both sides. And then bring down my 3x and my 5 and divide both sides by 3. So then x will equal 5 over 3. And that's it.